Okay, for all you projection people out there, I may have a solution. I'm a lawyer, unfortunately, but my father was an engineer, so maybe I have some creativity in me. I don't know, but let me show you a trick that I just figured out for those with brick and for windows and for other things that don't reflect your projection very well. Here you go. Here you go. It is just a can of the spray snow. So you've got brick right here. All you need to do is spray your brick with this removable snow stuff. Understand that it's going to come off when it rains, but we're covering that with all of this fake snow, and let me show you the difference between that and brick that's not covered. Alright, so here you go. I'm going to show you which surfaces have the fake snow on it and which ones do not. So if we zoom in right here, you can see the brick right here has the fake snow. The brick underneath does not. You can see that the snow is reflecting a lot better than the plain brick reflects. Also, that window does have the fake snow on the inside. That window does not have the fake snow on the inside. So give it a try. I do think it works. It'll of course need to be, unless you're doing it inside on the window, in which case it'll last all season. You can see plainly that portion right there reflects so much better. So this window also has it, and this window also has it. You can't really see super well, but give it a try. There's a lot of people that have problems with brick and with windows. Hopefully this is even a temporary solution. Hope it works for you. Happy holidays.